Namaste. In this video, we are going to find out the distance between 2 points which are not lying on the either x-axis or y-axis. Let us see how we are going to find it out. Now see, point P 4, 6 lies in the first quadrant and the point Q 6, 8 is also lying in the first quadrant. We want to find out the distance between these 2 points. We are going to find out the distance between these 2 points. So how to find it out? First, I am going to draw a vertical line, a perpendicular line from P to this one, right? And the same manner from Q to also I am drawing the line this one. Clear? Now look at here. From here I am drawing another perpendicular line there. Name this one point as R. Name this point as S. Name this point as T. P, Q, R, S, T. Now see, what is the distance between, what is the distance? PT is what is the distance over here? This distance is from x-axis to this point, no. So from the distance from the x-axis to the given point is nothing but the y coordinate. What is the distance here? PT equal to 6 units. PT equal to 6 units. Now what about RS? RS is also same thing. Now PT equal to RS is equal to 6 units. Now what about SQ or QS? QS is equal to is the distance from x-axis to the given point. So this is nothing but 8 units. Now what about QR? QR is nothing but QS minus RS I can take. QS is 8 units. Minus RS is 6 units. So this is 8 minus 6, sorry, here this is 2 units. QR is 2 units. Now here, what is PR? PR you see once here, PR is nothing but ST. ST can be written as OS minus OT. OS is 6 units minus OT is 4 units. How much is this one? 2 units. So this is also 2 units. Now here we can apply Pythagorean theorem. Which one, in which triangle we can apply? In triangle PQR, PQ square equal to PR square plus QR square. PQ square equal to, so PR square is what? 2 square plus QR square is what? 2 square. 4 plus 4, this is equal to 8. PQ is equal to square root of 8. This is nothing but 2 root 2 square units. 2 root 2 units. Clear? This is, if we know the points, we can find out this one. How to derive the distance formula using the same method. If the points we don't know, we are assuming that one. How do we derive the distance formula based on that one between these 2 points? Let us consider. Here, this is origin here. This is 1 or 2 or whatever it may be, 3 and 4. If it is given or not given, not a problem there. Now here 2 points are existing. This is, name this one as P x1 comma y1 and this is Q x2 comma y2. We want to find it out. That is, we want to find out the distance between P and Q. The distance between P and Q. For that, what do we supposed to do? We have to draw a line, a perpendicular line to the x-axis and a perpendicular line to the x-axis from Q also. Okay. Now name this one points as PQ and this one I am drawing a perpendicular line there. This is R and this point is S and this point is T. Clear? Now what is PT? The distance between P and T equal to what? PT equal to RS equal to what? PT. PT is the distance from the x-axis to the particular point there. From the x-axis to the particular point is nothing but the y coordinate. This is y1. Right? Now, what is SQ? What is the distance between S and Q? SQ is the distance from x-axis to the particular point. That is nothing but y2. Then from these two, here, what is QR? This implies QR equal to what? QR equal to QS minus RS. This is equal to QS is how much we got? Y2 minus y1. Is it clear now? QR is what? Y2 minus y1. Clear? Now, what about PR? PR and TS are same. So, PR equal to TS equal TS, how do we find it out? OS minus OT, no? What is OS? OS is the distance from y-axis to a given point. That is x coordinate. How much is the x coordinate there? X2 minus this is x1. So this value is x2 minus x1. So the distance between 2 points. That is distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points between px1 comma y1 and qx2 comma y2 is given as, how do we find it out this one? Right triangle. So pq square equal to, what do we write here? Pr square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is equal, this implies here pq equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula to find out the distance between any 2 points if the 2 points are given to you. If P is x1, y1 and Q is x2, y2, the distance between P and Q is given by the formula square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. If among those 2 points, if one point is origin, then the distance between those 2 points is given by here x square plus y square. Square root of x square plus y square is the formula. When one point is origin, O00 and another point A is x comma y is given, then the distance between those 2 points is written as square root of x square plus y square. Thank you.